everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 309 Tomlinson Court in Pickering. So we've got a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, we've got a separate office, we've got a gigantic garage. Why don't you guys go around, take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, this is a very unique property. I'm sure you guys saw that already from the video. Okay, we've got this gigantic triple car garage home. We've got a bedroom on the main floor with a walkout to a deck with its own washroom, and we've got 3 spacious bedrooms upstairs plus an office. If you guys have any questions about this property or would like to see it, I'd be more than happy to show it to you. My contact information is going to be on the screen. And until next time, guys, remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.